हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जी के अपडेट विथ उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे न्यू वीडियोस की अपडेट मिलते रहें। तो आज हम 17 जून 2025 के टॉप 30 MCQs गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में आपके लिए क्वेश्चन अपडेट दे रहता है, जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना होता है कमेंट सेक्शन में। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। विच टीम हैज रिसेंटली वन द अल्टीमेट टेबल टेनिस 2025 टाइटल? एंड द आंसर इज यू मुंबा TT. Second question, who has recently become the first woman to lead Britain's foreign intelligence agency MI6? And the answer is Blaise Matrivilli. Third question, who will head the high-level committee constituted to investigate the recently crashed aircraft flight A171? And the answer is Govind Mohan. Fourth question, who has been recently awarded the Commander of the Order of the British Empire honor? And the answer is Leena Nair. Fifth question, who has recently resigned from the post of India's G20 Sherpa? And the answer is Amitabh Kant. Sixth question, which state has recently become the first state in India to bring all urban local bodies under a single portal with e-Nagarpalika 2.0? And the answer is Madhya Pradesh. Seventh question, recently Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been awarded the highest civilian honor of which country? And the answer is Cyprus. Eighth question, who has developed the recently launched FPV Achal? And the answer is Goa Shipyard Limited. Ninth question, who has recently chaired the first meeting of International Big Cat Alliance? And the answer is Bhupendra Yadav. 10th question, recently which state has imposed a statewide ban on the import of Totapuri mango from Karnataka? And the answer is Andhra Pradesh. 11th question, where has India's first agriculture drone indigenization center being established recently? And the answer is Chennai. 12th question, recently Prime Minister Narendra Modi became the first Indian Prime Minister to which country? And the answer is Croatia. 13th question, where has the Volcan de Fuego volcano erupted recently? And the answer is Guatemala. 14th question, in which state has the Udyog Kranti program being launched recently? And the answer is Punjab. 15th question, who will launch India's first thinking data compute satellite recently? And the answer is Take Me to Space. 16th question, in which state has the Pradhan Mantri Kusum C scheme being inaugurated recently? And the answer is Karnataka. 17th question, Sunisar Mansar Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state or UT? And the answer is Jammu and Kashmir. 18th question, what is the name of India's first agentic in AI system developed by Kruntrem startup? And the answer is Kruti. 19th question, Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau is a government agency established under which ministry? And the answer is Ministry of Civil Aviation. 20th question. Which city has been selected as the national venue for the 2025 celebration of International Day of Yoga? And the answer is Visakhapatnam. 21st question. Who won the prestigious 2025 Food Planet Prize for its pioneering green fertilizer? And the answer is Nitro Captain. 22nd question. Which country launched the Cyber Suraksha exercise to boost cyber resilience in defense? And the answer is India. 23rd question. How many medals won by Indian shooter at the Munich ISSF World Cup 2025? And the answer is 4. 24th question. What is India's global rank in terms of the number of beneficiaries covered under Social Security? And the answer is 2nd position. 25th question. Which state government has digitized the National Family Benefit Scheme? And the answer is Uttar Pradesh. 26th question. What is the name of the first ever unified global checklist of bird species? And the answer is Avilist. 27th question. For the first time in its 116-year history, MI6 will be held by a woman. MI6 is the intelligence agency of which country? And the answer is United Kingdom. 28th question. When will the first phase of India's 16th census 2027 begin? And the answer is 1st October 2026. 29th question. What is the main objective of the Fast Track Punjab portal recently launched by the Punjab government? And the answer is to simplify starting new businesses, starting up projects, and expanding industries. And the last 30th question. Where is the FIFA Club World Cup 2025 being held? And the answer is United States. तो ये थे 17 जून 2025 के टॉप 30 करंट अफेयर्स MCQ। और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है विच फॉर्मर गुजरात चीफ मिनिस्टर रिसेंटली डाइड इन अ प्लेन क्रैश आफ्टर टेक ऑफ फ्रॉम अहमदाबाद। तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।